Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about how to cancel your TrueBlue car wash membership. Okay, so the cancellation is very easy. You just need to simply visit your nearest location of TrueBlue car wash. You can visit at any location and you can make a request like you would like to cancel your membership, and they will ask you some details regarding your membership. You can say like carry your license plate and your vehicle number, and there are some details also. You can say like carry some important documents like your subscription. If you have any kind of documents you can carry, you can give them. They will verify your details and they will cancel your membership very easily. But make sure you need to provide at least 7 days notice period, like 7 days prior to next billing date for the processing time. Okay, so these are the things. Now if you have any questions you can make a comment, and if you are not able to visit your nearest car wash location, you can call their customer support, and on call you can also make a request for cancellation. And once you connected you can make a request, and once you are going to end your call, then you can also ask a proof of cancellation also on your email. And once you get your confirmation email, then it's okay, and your subscription will end it. Okay, so these are the steps by which you can cancel your subscription or membership with the TrueBlue car wash. Okay, so now if you have any questions you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.